Hi, I'm Casey Hudson and I write sci-fi novels. I recently talked about writing tool use into sci-fi civilizations, and I use the Sternovula from my Drifting Amalgams universe as an example. Here's a quick rundown on how I went from world-building questions and real-world science to an avian species that uses stone tools. When I'm creating worlds for my science fiction novels, I try to include a fair bit of real-world science. Sometimes this is simple, but with my Stone Age Sternovula, this was a bit of a challenge. The Sternovula of my Drifting Amalgams universe are avian, and the traditional way of making stone tools is challenging for their physiology. Where a human would use a hammer stone or other flint knapping tool to strike a stone core into shape, an individual bird would struggle to wield a hammer. So, I've taken advantage of this society's communal nature to build a world where avians work together to lift and drop stones, or knapping tools, to craft the stone implements they need. Tool use is one of the most important skills a sentient being has. When I'm looking to make new and different technologies, I consider these 5 questions. What physical, mental, and physiological traits help or hinder tool making? What physical, mental, and physiological traits aid or disrupt tool use? What socially significant tasks could be done more efficiently and effectively with tools? What resources are available to make and use tools, including materials, skilled labor, and safety equipment? What will affect the adoption and adaptation of a tool that is introduced to a society? It's a complex topic, but this has proven to be a good starting point for my world building. The Stone Age avians of my Drifting Amalgams universe have a simple life. Their needs consist mostly of food and safety. That's why knives are one of the most useful and versatile tools in their society. Using their legs and talons to move their stone tools about, the Sternovula carry this basic necessity in bags woven from reeds. This is a clay-based visualization of a knife the Sternovula would wield. Maybe Aaron does it wrong, but he's created this model to help you better envision how a bird could use a knife. Thanks, Aaron. Until next time, keep creating.